this is a mic check and a camera setup check, just to see how things sound, just to make sure that there's no too much wind noise. Hopefully there's not much. I am new to this, so I'm just checking it out. Hopefully everything looks good, the picture and everything. I bought another mic from Best Buy and it didn't even work. I have the Hero 6. It didn't even work. So I went around YouTube to see what other mics there were, and the main one that I saw was the giant squid. And so I kind of spoke to one of the guys on Hard Ventures, and he told me he has that mic also, so I decided to go with that one. I ordered it, but I'm very impatient and hard-headed, so I went to another store here locally in Houston. Okay, so what I was saying is that I went to a store here in Houston. It's called Fry's Electronics, and I went and bought another mic. Well, actually 3 other options. And so one of them I tried was an adapter. It was a 3.5 to 2.1 adapter. The reason I bought that adapter was because I had bought a Sena, and that Sena is a 2.5. What's good about Sena is that they sent like 3 different mics for it. So I had an extra one, so I thought I'd try it. So I hooked up the adapter and the Sena microphone, and it worked. So that's what I'm using right now until I get the giant squid mic, which I should be able to get it tomorrow. So here I am. I'm trying to see if the location's okay, like I said before. This is a beautiful day. It's warm. I kind of wanted to see how the GoPro looks and how it works. I've been hearing a lot of complaints about it. So, but this is, I guess, it's my first motovlog, and I'm new at this. This is just a hobby, but with work it's hard for me to ride. I'm sorry. It's hard for me to ride all the time, but this year I plan to do more riding on my free time. My wife is even taking a class. She's going to take a class, and we plan on doing this together. But anyways, I wanted to check this, and I also wanted to mention that there are more options out there. Even if you have a Sena, you can use that mic with this setup with the Hero 6. So I'm kind of excited to see how this works, if you can actually hear me, and with the wind. So I'm gonna make another video explaining the three different options, and I want to explain how they worked, or if they worked. So that way, if you're in a pinch and you need something quick, you can go buy one real quick, whatever the options are, and you don't have to wait till you get it in the mail. So so I just want to put it out there. There's not too many videos showing it much on as far as the mic options and all that. If I can help people with that information, I might as well do it. So I'm just excited to see how it works. Oop. This day, I'm just enjoying it. It is a little windy, but I can work with this. I'm hoping this mic location is just at the right spot, so wow, that was a big old pothole. There's a lot of things you have to pay attention to when you're riding a bike. You have to be careful with potholes. You have to be careful with debris on the road. You gotta be careful with the other drivers. Just a go. I'm still breaking in this bike though. I'm still not even at 500 miles. So I am not going over 7,000 RPMs on it. I think this lane ends. This is dirt. It's the kind of stuff you have to be careful with. It is windy out here. I'm hoping this GoPro works pretty good, because I ripped up the box and everything trying to get it out. I was trying to be careful with it. That thing would not come out of the box. There's a 18-wheeler right next to me. You got to make sure they see you. These guys, they won't see you. Oh crap. Ah. I want to get me some shorty levers. I have trouble reaching the the brakes and the clutch because it's so out. It was raining last night. I thought it was gonna rain all weekend, but it didn't. Boy, do I feel that wind. You gotta watch out for this. Yeah, I'm pretty new. I'm making mistakes still. I'm trying to learn from them. I didn't realize I got it over here so quickly. There's a nice stretch that you can just ride straight. Well, I guess I'm gonna end this video right here. I just wanted to see how this worked out, but I will be making another video. This is just my first one, I guess my debut, and I'll see you guys on the next one.